The national bell ringing ceremony is said to be a call for freedom, for justice, and for equality, but it's also a call to action.
Let it ring!
Freedom rings today at the Oklahoma History Center. Although several Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. activities and ceremonies were postponed, the national bell ringing went on in frigid temperatures.
And it was important for us to still honor the legacy of Dr. King today.
State Senator Nikki Nice said it's not just about King's legacy, but how Oklahoma and its younger generation moves forward.
Especially in the era of where culture and history, Black history specifically, is working to be erased.
The tradition was started by King's family with the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia. Now, dozens of bell ringing ceremonies, including in Oklahoma City, happen every year. The ceremony started inside with speeches and songs dedicated to King's mission of equality.
Let us march on till victory is won.
Despite the weather, several people, including singer Freddie Knoll, showed up.
Martin Luther King played a big role in what we have going on today, and just being here to take part in the festivity, keeping the dream alive. So I'm excited to be a part of that.
In about 2 weeks, the community will come together again to honor King's legacy.
All right!
Normally, the bell ringing ceremony follows the silent march, but that was postponed due to weather. It's now rescheduled for February 1st. In Oklahoma City, I'm Jamison Kiefover.